Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz and today we are back with another interesting recipe. We will be making a real 5-star style white sauce penne pasta and how to make this incredible recipe in few steps. Let's go and let's learn how to make in few steps and like 5 to 10 minutes. First we will make the roux. We will add 25 grams of soft butter in nice hot non-stick pan. We'll melt the butter and we'll add 1 tablespoon of maida or refined flour. We'll mix this mixture nicely. Then we'll add around 4 tablespoon of milk. Then our roux, white roux, which is very important for a white sauce pasta. It will be ready. We have to dry the liquids out and we will make it into a semi-solid ball like this. This is a very unique step, and this you can make it in this way, and you can refrigerate it for a couple of days as well. So whenever you feel like making a portion of pasta, take it off and ready. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is optional, you can use any oil in a nice heated pan. We'll add then 1 tablespoon full of chopped garlic. This is very important. These are flavor enhancers which give really nice taste to your pasta. Then we'll add a little spice, green chilies, and then we will be adding some celery chopped. Then we'll add a half or a quarter onion chopped. We'll saute this tadka nicely, and then we will start the process of making this sauce. Our tadka is ready. Then we will add around quarter piece of capsicum which is diced into triangles. We will add all our rest of vegetable, broccoli. We will be adding some cubes of zucchini. We will be adding American corn. Put as much vegetable as you like. Then I'm putting 100 grams of boiled chicken which is cut into cubes. Saute this properly so that all the vegetable gets cooked nicely. Broccoli, you have to parboil it in little salted water. Then I'm adding 4 tablespoons of water. You can add stock or milk which will increase the richness of your pasta, and then keep stirring. Then I'm adding again 1 tablespoon of water just to keep the mixture alive, and we'll have to keep it wet. Before adding cheese, I added little water. I added mozzarella cheese and processed cheese and the roux mix which we have made earlier. I will mix all these ingredients together and our sauce is 50% ready to go. We will add little more moisture later. I will be adding little more milk or water in the further stage, and our base sauce is almost ready. Now I am adding 4 tablespoons of milk and our sauce is ready. We'll do the final seasoning. I've added oregano, chili flakes. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar, then salt. Then I'll add little black pepper powder. You can use crushed black pepper also. That will retain the color of your white sauce pasta and it will make it taste delicious. So our body of the sauce is completely ready. Seasoning is done. All the vegetable and proteins added to the sauce. Now it is the right time to add in our correctly al dente cooked penne pasta. I'm putting 35 pieces of penne pasta as goes in one portion in most of the 5-star hotels and restaurants. So cooking the pasta is very important. You put little oil in the pan and let the water to come to the boil, and you cook the pasta. Then you, as soon as you see the pasta come to form al dente bite consistency, you take it off and put under running cold water, apply oil and keep. Then in the final stage I'll add parsley. You can add parsley or basil, anything. We'll take it out on the plate and serve it nicely. We'll take a darker shade crockery because, as you know, the pasta is white in color. We have made a white sauce pasta which will look very attractive over a black crockery. Then a final garnish. I'm putting little chili flakes from the top, some oregano at the final stage, and then we'll be adding a little chopped parsley or basil, whichever flavor you like you can put, and our pasta is ready to go. Yes, this is the real continental style pasta which is served in 5-star hotels ready.
Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.